A. Planning and brainstorming.
My study habits. 1. I make a study schedule. 2. Get organized by cleaning my desk and tidy up my space. 3. Don't skip class. 4. Take notes. 5. Talk to teacher and ask questions. 6. Set the study desk to be comfortable. 7. Create a study plan and follow it. 8. Don't just reread but study. 9. Set up a quiet study space.
B. Write down any relevant adverbs of frequency you will use in your paragraph.
Always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, rarely, and never.
C. Outlining and drafting.
Structure. Identification. A general orientation to the topic. Short sentences. I usually study after dinner at 7.30 WIB. Don't forget, I also prepare the lesson material for tomorrow. To make my study easier, I make study plan. Structure. Description. Short sentences. Feature 1, before I study. I check my school schedule and prepare the material for tomorrow. Feature 2, organize by cleaning my desk and tidy up my space. Feature 3, read the school books and highlighted the important topics. Feature 4, reread the notes and explain the lesson to myself. Feature 5, to improve my knowledge, I am having study group with some friends.
D. Writing and editing.
I usually study after dinner at 7.3 WIB. Don't forget, I also prepare the lesson material for tomorrow. To make my study easier, I make study plan. First, I organize by cleaning my desk and tidy up my space. Then, I read the school books and highlighted the important topics. After that, I reread the notes and explained the lesson to myself. Finally, to improve my knowledge, I am having study group with some friends.